is when
generating alarm and flashing.
yes. This is pure light motors. You can all set it to trigger the light flashing.
Can it be possible to make it sound by this one?
Yes.
Also, we can select the sound tone and trigger to.
Yes.
IP speaker, okay, IP speaker handle and sound same.
So both of these and this.
Fixed list, okay.
Close that. And also on this NVR, what I recommend you buy NVR from us because we also support many VCA functions. So this place we have face library here, and we already set the face recognition here. So when the camera detect me, when it detect me, it will do the face. Let me check.
It's already got my face here.
Your face is already here. We can add it to face library. Oh, this picture is not so good. Because using the face library,
I understand.
face library, you need to upload higher resolution photos.
Then the accuracy will be more efficient.
Yeah, more good to do the. You can add to an image.
Okay.
The photos you upload more clear, it will be more good to do the face recognition. So this place is already added to the face library. You can see your library